Oh, it's snowing. Oh, Lana, look at the snow on the Tesla. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's a snow day. We've had a couple of inches overnight. I did clean it off this morning, but it's now covered over again. And I thought it'd be interesting to see what happens when you open these Falcon wing doors covered in snow. So Lana, what do you think? Do you think when we open that door, the snow is going to go inside or outside? We don't know. Should we find out? Let's have a look then. So obviously when it's raining, it's got channels and gullies that the water doesn't go inside, but snow doesn't quite flow the same. So let's have a look what happens when I open the Falcon wing door. No snow. Oh, it's a bit has fallen in down there. Look. There you can see it's obviously gone inside. Normally that would be water that would flow down here, but it hasn't. So let's close it up and let's see how it deals with compacting that snow. Oh, there you go. So I just compacted it a bit, doesn't it? But it still works absolutely fine. Let's go around the other side. Look at this, it's snowing a bit now. Let's see this side. Oh, was that fun? Let's try again this side. Hang on. There we go. Let's quickly see. Anything falling in? No, just a bit there. But that's just the snow in the air, isn't it? So there you go. Snow does not beat the Tesla doors. Let's close it down. All done. There you go. Not hugely useful, but nice to see that the snow doesn't break it. So